must be something in the water, 'cause every day is getting colder. And if only I could hold you, you'd keep my head from going under. Songbird, would you like to learn how to master your mix and sing in such a way where your voice sounds like one voice? All right, if you want to learn that today, I'm going to show you 3 powerful exercises to help you do just that. Number 1, add chest resonance, but without the strain, okay? This is a very, very important thing. Otherwise, you won't really be mixing your voice. You're just going to be straining and singing with heaps of tension, pulling too much chest voice up. This is the exercise. It's a dopey gurg on an arpeggio, and it goes like this. Gurg, 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 gurg. 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 Make sure you keep this dopey, especially as you go up. Now, Songbird, if you truly want to master mixing technique, I have got so many resources inside the Songbird Tree Vocal Academy that you are absolutely going to want to devour. My Master Your Mix webinar, as well as my 3 How to Sing in Mixed Voice and Stop Cracking and Straining online courses. Why don't you go and check out the Songbird Tree Vocal Academy? I want to tell you more about it now. Songbird, if you want more than just bite-sized lessons on random singing topics, and you truly would like to have a step-by-step process to follow that would help you master your voice in the most quickest way possible, if you would like to learn not just what exercises to practice, but in what order, in which exact range, and the best way to progress them each day, each week, each month, each year, and beyond. If you would like to be given specific daily workouts that you could work on every single day, being guided as to how long you should practice each day, and when it's time to actually move on to more difficult workouts, if you want to progress from where you are as a singer now to becoming the singer that you've always dreamed of, then I invite you, Songbird, go and check out the Songbird Tree Vocal Academy, where you can get access to all of my vocal training programs. Plus, I add new content every single month. And guess what? I'm going to let you check all that out for free for the next 7 days. I've made this the most affordable and, dare I say, comprehensive and best library of vocal training ever. There's my foundational course, The Vocal Revolution, which teaches you everything you need to know about vocal technique and takes you from beginner to advanced. There's also my incredible supplementary courses, for example, my How to Sing in Mixed Voice programs, where you can zero in on a particular topic or a particular part of your voice. There's the webinars and masterclasses where you get an intensive 30-minute to 90-minute booster on a particular focused subject. There's also the guided exercises and extras, where I give you intensive boosters, but in 5 to 15 minutes, also on a specific topic. And there is so much more. All of this to help you get grounded, take flight, and sing. Songbird, I'm always believing in you, and I just can't wait to see you inside the Songbird Tree Vocal Academy. Click on the link to start your 7-day free trial now. Number 2, adjust your vocal tract positioning. You see, as we go from the low parts of our voice through the middle and through to the high parts of our range, we can't actually sing in exactly the same way. We've got to sing in such a way that allows our vocal tract to actually maneuver and reposition itself so that it can actually give you the optimal positioning so that you can sing smoothly through your range. This is an exercise that is going to help you cultivate that. It's a ya, yo, yo, you on an arpeggio, and it goes like this. Ya, 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 ya. Ya, 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 ya. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. Songbird, if you are liking this video, why don't you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell. If you do that, you're going to actually help yourself, help me, and help so many songbirds across the globe. You'll help yourself because you'll actually know exactly when I drop these singing video goodness, and you will never, ever miss out on a video. You'll help me because you're going to help me achieve my mission of helping as many songbirds on the planet as possible, and you'll help other songbirds because they'll learn to sing as well as it helps them find this video. Number 3, connect your voice. The exercise I'm going to give you to cultivate this is the bright bwah, bwah, bwah. You've got to sing this with a smile on your face because it keeps your soft palate lifted up. And also, it's going to, this whole exercise will help you to sing with forward placement and resonance, which is going to help you connect your voice and therefore sing in the mix. Here we go. It goes like this. Bwah, 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 bwah. 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 Hey, if you want to learn more about singing in your mixed voice, why don't you go and check out this playlist. There is more goodness there where this came from. And Songbird, you know that I'm always believing in you, so why don't you go on and get out there, get grounded, take flight, and sing.